So Jennifer is here because of a chemical breakage on her hair.
I had thick, long, natural hair. I got my hair bleached and product was left in it way too long, and it basically all broke off. This whole top layer was about that short.
Wow.
Since then my hair has grown that long, which is really nice, but it's still really, really short and choppy.
So that's why we picked 16-inch, right?
Yeah.
So I put in a couple in the back, so that's how long it's going to be.
Perfect length.
Yeah, perfect. So we'll just go all the way through, away from the part lines. Of course, the color match is perfect.